Hey there. The first trick I'm going to be showing you is called Throwdown, and it looks like this. It's the most basic trick you'll ever learn. It's a building block trick. It's the one trick that you need to know how to do well to make all of your other tricks go easily. So, to do the Throwdown, take the yo-yo in your hand, holding it correctly as I've shown you how before. So, with the string coming up over the top of the yo-yo like so. And you make a muscle with your arm. You extend your forearm out, and you open up your hand at the same time. That'll let the yo-yo come out of your hand. As the yo-yo comes out of your hand and reaches the end of the string, turn your hand over and give it a tug, and the yo-yo will return to your hand. And that's pretty much it. That's the Throwdown. If you start having trouble with this trick, like the yo-yo goes down and spins out of control or doesn't make it all the way back up to your hand, for the part where it would spin out of control, make sure your hand is as level as possible with the ground, because the more level it is, the more likely the yo-yo is to go straight out of your hand, straight down, and keep true with how you wanted it to spin in the first place. If the yo-yo goes down and doesn't come all the way back up to your hand, basically you just need to throw the yo-yo harder, just to give it a little bit more energy so it can make it all the way back up to your hand. You'll want to be a little bit careful with that, however, because the harder you throw it, the harder it comes back, and if you're not ready for it, it can smack your knuckles or it can bruise your hand. So that is the Throwdown, and I'll see you guys in the next video.